Hey guys, it's Gabrielle Morlett. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm the girl from Her Fashionality blog, and I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to show y'all how to temporarily DIY your clothes without ruining it permanently. So this is the final product. This was actually just a little Free People denim skirt, and I love to wear this skirt on its own all the time. But I wanted a new look one day, and I was like, well, I don't want to go buy a new skirt when I have this like perfectly good Free People skirt, but I also didn't want to like ruin this. I was like, nuh-uh. I'm gonna show you what I did to create this look. So without further ado, let's get started.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what.
So the first thing you're gonna do is cut out circles on the loop side, which is the soft side of the Velcro.
Like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
peel off the plastic of the circles you just cut, and you're going to place them on your denim wherever you want the patches to go. Next, you're going to attach the hook, which is the rough edge, to the back of your patch. Once you attach the hook to the back of your patch, you're just going to Velcro the two pieces together. Little patches come off, and my skirt is 100% intact. I actually wanted to try out this method before even making a video about it, so I went ahead and wore this skirt with patches and all. It did last me, and I will actually insert a clip of me throughout the day. Here it is. Okay, I'm back. I've had my day. Today I went to a coffee shop, had lunch there, worked on my blog, and went to downtown and took some pictures. Got gas, so I was in and out of the car. So the skirt lasted me all day, and then I came home and I wasn't gonna do anything at all, and then my friend texted me and she was like, do you want to go watch the Cowboys game? And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm from Dallas. Yes. Wait, I have nothing to wear. Just kidding. I remembered that today the Cowboys play, ignore my hair, and I was getting ready to go out to go watch the game, and I was like, oh, I wish I could wear my denim skirt, but it's cold. So I was like, wait a second, I could totally just DIY my jeans. Hello. And so that's what I did, and I even put two little stars right here, and I put them in places where they won't be creasing. So yeah, like I didn't put them in the back pockets. So yeah, anyways, this is such a cute little DIY for like any occasion. So I made these little jeans, and I got so many compliments on them. I'll insert a picture right here. But I did not go out and buy a whole new pair of jeans or a whole new outfit. And I love these jeans. Like, I wear these jeans all the time. They're the softest. And so I didn't want to like ruin them by, you know, putting permanent patches on them. So anyways, this is my little hack. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share with anyone. You guys, this would be so perfect for any holiday. I know Valentine's is right around the corner. How cute, if you have nothing to wear, how cute would this be if you just went out and bought like heart patches and just put it on your little skirt, and you are on theme, ready to go. I will have everything linked down below, and I will also include some really cute little patches that I found online that you guys can use as well. I did find that it works way better with denim, which is perfectly fine because this is what you would most likely be using it on. But yeah, just make sure before you put the patches all over, this sticky part of the Velcro comes off smoothly and doesn't like ruin your clothes. I haven't had anything happen, but you just never know. And yeah, so like I said, I will link everything down below. That is how you get this supple. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Her Fashionality blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all later. Bye bye.